At times, the Windows Audio troubleshooter may fail to resolve the underlying issue and display the following error. If you also have the same problem, here are some ways on how you can fix it. Now you should start with restarting the Windows Audio service. Do that by opening Services, scroll down to locate the Windows Audio service on the list, then right-click on it, and then select Restart. Next, you have to make sure that the supporting audio components are running. Check it by opening Services again, locate the RPC Endpoint Mapper service on the list, double-click on it to open its properties, set the startup type to Automatic, click Apply, followed by OK. Similarly, change the startup type for Remote Procedure Call and DCOM Server Process Launcher services as well. After doing that, restart your PC and then check if the issue is still there. Another thing you can do to resolve this issue is to register local and network services on Windows using Command Prompt. You just have to right-click on the Start icon, select Terminal Admin from the list, type in the following command, press Enter to register network services on your system. Then after that, run the following command to register local services, press Enter, and exit the Command Prompt window, and then restart your computer. It's not responding on your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.